There's a guy sitting at his kitchen table right now. Cup of coffee going cold next to him. Phone open. He's staring at his bank account, then his investment app, then back at his bank account. He works hard, he earns decent money, and he has absolutely no idea what to do with it next. That guy is most people, and nobody built anything for him. My name is Subhan, and this channel, Subworld, exists for exactly that person. Here's what we're going to do here. We're going to talk about money the way your smartest friend would. No jargon walls, no 47 slide decks, no one trying to sell you something in the last 30 seconds. Just real conversations about what's actually happening in the financial world and what it means for your life. We're going to cover investing, where to put your money, how to think about risk, what the people managing billions are quietly doing right now that nobody's reporting on. We're going to talk about gold, about what it means when central banks are buying it at the fastest pace in 50 years while telling you everything is fine. We're going to cover trading concepts, not the flashy stuff, the actual mechanics that separate people who build wealth from people who stay busy but never get ahead. We'll break down what's happening in global markets and why it matters to someone sitting in their living room in Ohio trying to figure out if now is the right time to invest. Here's what this channel is not. It's not financial advice. It's not a get-rich shortcut. It's not going to tell you what everyone else is already telling you. It's going to be the channel that gives you the framework to make better decisions yourself. Because the most expensive thing in finance isn't a bad stock pick. It's not understanding why you made it. So here's what I need from you right now. If any of that resonates, if you've ever felt like the financial world was speaking a language you were never taught, hit subscribe. Hit the like button so this reaches someone else who needs it. Share it with the person in your life who's been staring at their bank account wondering what's next. And leave a comment. Tell me what financial topic is keeping you up at night. Because that's what we're building this channel around. You, your questions, your money. Subworld starts right now.